I've been using the ICICI Sapphiro credit card for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's worth the premium in 2025. The Sapphiro is positioned as a premium lifestyle card, offering a mix of travel, entertainment, and luxury perks. You get 2 complimentary international lounge visits per year via Priority Pass or Dream Folks, plus up to 16 domestic lounge visits annually, provided you meet the 75,000 Indian rupees quarterly spend threshold. Frequent flyers and leisure travelers will appreciate these benefits, along with a 1% fuel surcharge waiver and access to golf rounds based on monthly spending. The welcome benefits are solid. Vouchers worth over 9,000 Indian rupees from brands like Tata CliQ, Chroma, Ease My Trip, and Uber, which help offset the 6,500 Indian rupees joining fee. The annual fee is 3,500 Indian rupees, waived if you spend 6 Indian rupees lakh in a year. Reward points are decent. 4 points per 100 Indian rupees on international spends, 2 on domestic, and 1 on utilities and insurance. These can be redeemed across categories like travel, shopping, and dining. However, there are some drawbacks. The card's value diminishes if you don't travel often or spend enough to unlock the milestone rewards. The domestic reward rate isn't the highest, and many benefits are tied to spending thresholds, which might not suit everyone. Some users have also reported mixed experiences with customer service and the clarity of the rewards program. In summary, the ICICI Sapphiro credit card is best suited for high spenders who travel frequently and can fully utilize its lifestyle perks. If you meet the spending criteria, the benefits can outweigh the costs. But if your expenses are more modest, you might find better value with other cards. I hope this review helped you understand the pros and cons. If it did, please support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in next one.